I can see that this is my moment.
Alrighty guys, welcome back. Oh wait, a little bit too close there, my bad. It's really good, Familia. Welcome back to Familia Kicks HQ, where today we're discussing a little bit of a different situation. I actually wanted to do something a little bit different. I want to discuss EDC, which is everyday carry. If you're not familiar with what that is pretty much what you carry on a daily basis. So I just want to give you guys a sneak peek as to me being a sneakerhead, what I love to carry with me on my person at all times, every single day. What I try to at least leave the house with. It's going to be a very quick video. It's going to be something different and maybe something that you see that you might want to try. And all this stuff that I'm going to go ahead and just present to you is stuff that I literally carry with me on my satchel, which is a man purse, which is probably weird to some of you, but it's all good because I have a knife. Let's talk about it. But yes, fam, so today we are gonna go ahead and discuss the first thing, probably the most important thing that I love to carry with me at all times because you never know when you're gonna need it, a pocket knife. And this right here is called the Civivi Praxis. Now this is an amazing knife right there. For sure, this is one of my favorite knives to date. The company Civivi is really great. They do a lot of, I wanna say, budget-friendly, high-quality knives. And this is exactly what that is. So we have the Civivi Praxis. It's about probably like 3 to 4 inches or so. And it has a stone-washed blade. As you can see, it's really nice, super sharp. And it's just a great knife to open all of my goodies when they come in, all of my sneakers. It has a deep pocket clip right here so it can really sit flush and secure. And this is a flipper knife. So the flipper knives, you just sort of have this little fin here on the edge and you just kind of like bam, and it's that simple. This I absolutely love. Once again, the Civivi Praxis. So yeah guys, this is a great thing to have on your person. And it's great, man. I open boxes all the time, so I just love this thing. Really good, an amazing knife, really got some great grip there, and it's really great. So yeah, so this right here is what I like to carry on me every single day. Another thing that I never leave my home without is a fragrance. I love to smell good at all times. I'm one of those dudes that if I go to the corner store, I don't care, I want to smell good. Woo! Smells fire. So yes, guys, this is specifically a fragrance that I've been loving as of late. This is called Jet Black Enigma, and this is a collaborative fragrance by an actual YouTuber, okay? The YouTuber's name is Gent Sense. Michael Malul, which is the fragrance, I believe, fragrance company. So Gent Sense is an amazing YouTuber. If you want to get more into fragrances, definitely look him up. He's really good at what he does. And so this is just a really good fragrance, like cinnamon, cardamom. It's got like some spices, like a really Middle Eastern spicy type fragrance, really good, super warm, inviting, strong projection. So when you walk, people are gonna smell you. Listen, the key thing is do a spray on your shoulders, right? On behind your shoulders, like your shoulder blades. Just do 2 little sprays, just bang, bang. When you walk, people are gonna be like, damn, bro, I smell good. And believe me, you're gonna get some compliments. So this is what I leave the house with at all times. Right now, this is one of my favorite fragrances that I rock, Jet Black Enigma. And finally, what I have every day, you know what it is, man. It's not a surprise. I carry a cell phone with me at all times, and specifically, I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max on deck at all times. And that's what I carry, guys. That's what I carry with me. This is how I keep up with the channel, right? On YouTube Studio, I do my TikToks, I do my IGs, I do all the goody two-shoe stuff that I gotta do to keep my connection with you guys, La Familia, live at all times. So guys, this is just a little bit of a test that I'm doing. I wanted to just show you guys my EDC, right? Really closely related. When you rock sneakers, right? You rock some of your favorite sneakers all the time. This correlates with sneakers. I think if you rock sneakers, if you're a sneakerhead or a lover of fashion, a lover of shoes, whatever it is, you should smell good at all times. You should have a way to connect with people, with the world at all times, and you definitely should have some sort of protection at all times, even if it is to cut boxes. That's all I'm saying. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. My family, mi familia, my people, mi gente. I will check you out on the next one. Hasta la próxima. You know what it is. Peace. Real quick. I will possibly have some links down below. If you guys see any of this stuff, right, that you want to contribute, the links below are affiliate links. They do help the channel. They help me out with what? I don't even know. Maybe I get a penny or two. It's all good. It'll go right back to the channel. So anything I list here down below in those description links, if you want to purchase it, use those links. Help a brother out. You know what it is. All right, peace.